everybody, and welcome to another video. It's another organizational tip of the day, and today I'm talking about baskets. I'm going to take you into my laundry room and show you how I utilize baskets and bins in my laundry room, particularly these baskets. My laundry room has been organized and decluttered a few times, and again, depending on our needs at the time, systems have changed. So these were $1.25 at Dollar Tree, and they were more aesthetically pleasing to our eyes. So we got a few of these to help organize our laundry room. Also, just want to highlight this. These we have in our kitchen, but we also started using these in our laundry room. This came from Dollarama. I'm not sure how much these cost, but I think they're $1 something. It might be a little bit more, $2, but they also came from Dollarama, and we utilize these in our laundry rooms. Multi-purpose containers can work in any space. The basket I just lifted up is actually, I'm in my bedroom. So we used to use a lot of these plastic white bins in different shapes and different sizes in the laundry room, but we decided to change from that. For me, this was okay because it contained and you could actually see through it. I'm that type of organizer that I need to see also have it contained. So we decided to go with something a little bit more aesthetically pleasing for everybody, so you feel comfortable, it feels nice that you want to do your laundry. My laundry room is not a big laundry room. I live in a condominium, so we made it work to house a whole bunch of stuff there. But I will show you my laundry room and how I utilize these bins, and maybe it'll give you some idea or some inspiration to use these type of bins in your home. Again, relatively inexpensive. So let's go to my laundry room. And welcome to my laundry room. So as you can see, not very big, and there are those like fabric bins that we got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so we use quite a bit of those fabric bins here. About 4 at the top there and 3 on the second shelf in different directions. The ones at the top are the ones I would reach for, or we would reach for, the least amount of times. I think I'm probably going to add some form of label because I can't reach up there just to even see what's in there. I'd have to get out a step stool, which doesn't work well in this space. So we have repurposed jars and containers that were previously being used for something else to help organize this space. Those are the containers that I was showing you from Dollarama that has our scent beads in it. Here are some more bins. The fabric bins that we have on the shelf. These also came from Dollarama, these gray bins. We put toilet paper and paper towel there, and we need to restock paper towel. Here is a laundry basket from Dollar Tree, and this just houses old towels that we could just use for anything. So it helps keep everything contained and organized, and you can kind of see, like, from this level, what's in each basket. So here we are. And they're not too bad in terms of how it looks. I would prefer them to be a little bit more sturdier, but it's good for the purpose that we have. On this shelf, if you recognize, I have a black one in my room, but there's a white one here, and we just house extra laundry detergent. This bin came from Dollar Tree, and we put our dirty dish rags and towels in there, and everything's just organized here. Here is a laundry basket from Walmart that we just my daughters put their towels in, etc. So that is the laundry room. On the wall, this was a game changer, is to put up the broom mops and stuff like that on the wall. get them out of the way there. So our laundry room. So shop your home. Look for bins and baskets that you could repurpose and just use to organize your space. Here on the wall, we hang our drying rack. Right now it's being used, but helpful to get it off the floor. Shop your home before going out to buy, and you can transform your space. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.